In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts in Manychat. If you're ready to streamline your contact list and keep it organized, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process, which should take you about 5 minutes. First, you'll need to log into your Manychat account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Manychat login page. Enter your credentials and click on the login button. This will take you to your Manychat dashboard where all the magic happens. Now the next step is to head over to the contacts page. This is where you can find a full list of all your current contacts. Look for the contacts tab on the left hand side of your dashboard. Clicking on it will show you a comprehensive list of everyone you're engaged with through Manychat. This page might feel overwhelming at first, especially if you have a large number of contacts, but don't worry, it's well organized and easy to manage. Once you're on the contacts page, it's time to select the contacts that you want to delete. You'll see checkboxes next to each contact. Carefully go through and click on the checkboxes next to the contacts you wish to remove. Be meticulous with your selection to ensure that you don't accidentally delete someone important. Having selected your contacts, turn your attention to the Bulk Actions button. You'll find this button somewhere at the top of the contacts page. It's an incredibly useful feature that allows you to perform the same action on multiple contacts at once, a real time saver. After clicking on Bulk Actions, a drop-down menu will appear showing you a list of possible actions. Scroll down through these options until you see Delete Contact. Click on it to proceed with the deletion process. Before we wrap up, I'd like to point out a few important tips regarding contact deletion. Be cautious when using the unsubscribe from account and delete contact actions. Once you unsubscribe or delete a contact, there's no way to restore them, so make sure you double check who you're removing. Regularly deleting contacts that don't interact with your messages can help keep your list clean and organized. And don't forget, using tags and custom user fields can be a great way to keep your contacts well organized, thus making any future management tasks even easier. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to delete contacts in Manychat and some key tips to maintain a well organized contact list. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this one.